Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make a graph with multiple variables in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Example, select your data, go to Insert tab, Chart and see this setup, see this chart type, select it line chart or column chart as you wish. Example, select column chart. Okay, customize your chart style, background color, chart border 3D or chart and axis title, sales versus profit. Press enter. Then series, change your sales or profit bar color. Sorry, line color, line dash type, error bars, data labels, trend line. Okay. And change position, bottom, top, left and right. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.